Hi, I'm Lou,
And I'm Blake.
and we're going to turn his little sister's crib into a full-size bed. We took off the bolts, and now we're going to pull this front piece off. Now we'll take off these two side rails with bolts and back. Now we're going to remove the springs from underneath. And off the side comes. We'll rebuild the bigger bed in this corner of the room. Our side rails are going to be made of poplar boards. This is a 1x6 and a 1x3 that are going to be put together in an L formation, and they need to be 76 inches long. We'll put our boards together with glue and nails. These corners are a little bit sharp, so we're going to sand them down. We're going to fill the nail holes with spackle like this, and there's a view of our customer. Sand those off. Now we're going to prime it. And now we're painting it to match the rest of the bed. So here's our bed rail, and we're going to attach it to the headboard with these screws and makeshift washers because I don't want to take a trip to the hardware store right through those holes. So there's the rails attached to the headboard, and now we're going to do the footboard, and we don't want to go through this side because it looks really nice. So instead, we're going to get on this side and mount these on with angle brackets. And there's those in place. Now we've cut these 1x3 slats, and they're going to go across here to hold up the mattress. And in goes the box spring. Mattress. There's the bed all done, and there's our happy little customer. Thanks for watching.